So good afternoon, class 6 children. Yesterday we revised the diagrams of all chapters, that is from which are there in your cycle to exam. Today again we'll start with the revision of chapter number 11, light, shadow and reflection. So let's attempt different types of question. First is true or false. So you have to mark. First is light travels in a straight line. Yes, Tanishq.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is true.
It is true. Next, Charvi. Shadow can be colored.
Ma'am, false.
False. Bhuvi. C part. The image formed in pinhole camera is both erect and inverted. Yes.
True.
Yes, it is true. Bhumika. D part. Transparent object does not cast shadow.
True.
True. A periscope is an instrument used for observing objects from a hidden position. Aditya Viswas, E part.
Yes, ma'am. A periscope is an instrument used for observing objects from a hidden position. Ma'am, it's true.
Yes, it is true. Chehek, moon is a luminous object.
Ma'am, false. It's a
Ma'am,
false.
Okay, children, now have a look on true or false. We are having the answers also, so you may see. Next is filling the blank. Side by side, Tanishq. The phenomena by which we see our face in the mirror is called.
Ma'am, it is reflection.
Okay. Number 2. Sun is an dash object. Sharvi.
Ma'am, luminous.
Luminous. C part. A dash eclipse occurs when the earth comes in the way. Yes, Bhuvi.
Solar eclipse.
Wooden piece is an dash object. Bhumika.
Opaque.
Okay. Dash and dash are the two types of shadows. Aditya. E
Yes,
part.
ma'am. Dash and the dash are two types of shadows. Ma'am.
One is a natural shadow, which we don't create, it gets created itself. And other is a cast shadow, which we generally create ourselves. Okay? Intentionally, which is created. Saksham Sharma, F part. The objects which partially allow light to pass through them are F part.
Translucent.
Translucent. Okay, children. Now for the Ritul, you know the answer of this question. G part. Speed of light is. Chehek, you know speed of light? Or Ritul? Anyone among you? What is the speed of light? Kindly write down somewhere, beta. 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light in meter per second. Okay. Three into 10 raised to power 8 meter. And if children tell me, if we want to convert it into kilometers, then what will happen? 3 zeros will be reduced. Then it will be a 3 lakh kilometers per second. Write down somewhere, children. Okay, next is we need to match the column. Wood. Sorry, translucent. Translucent with?
Ma'am, butter paper. Ma'am, butter paper.
Opaque.
Ma'am, wood.
Wood.
Transparent.
Glass.
Glass and water.
Glass also. Ma'am, transparent. Glass water also. Ma'am, luminous sun and torch bulb.
And torch.
Ma'am, sun is also. Ma'am,
So this we have done, children. Match the column is done. Next is the crossword. These objects does not allow light to pass through them. Yes, Tanishq.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is opaque object. Ma'am, opaque.
Second, Charvi. Sorry, number 3. It travels in a straight line.
ma'am, light.
Next, number 6, Bhuvi. It is a device to see hidden cameras. Hidden corners, sorry. Name the device. Just we have done. Chahek. Aditya Biswas.
Ma'am, pinhole camera.
No. Hidden corners.
Yes, ma'am. It is a device to see hidden corners. Ma'am, insulator. Sorry, ma'am.
No.
So sorry, ma'am. By mistake, I have to.
Bhumika.
Just
Just think and tell.
Ma'am, can I? Periscope.
Yes, it is periscope. Aditya, just you have done in the Phillips. It is periscope.
Yeah, ma'am. I was thinking that the letter starts with P. So I
Yes.
thought
It's not a pinhole camera. It is periscope. With the help of the periscope, children, you can see the hidden corners. Okay. Next, down. This device uses reflection to create beautiful picture.
ma'am,
Downward.
pinhole camera.
Yes, pinhole camera. See, first is
Ma'am, pinhole camera.
PINCHOLECAMERA. Camera. Okay. Next is these objects allow light to pass fully.
Ma'am, transparent. Transparent.
Next is Bhumika. Bhumika, you have to give number 5. These objects allow the light to pass partially. Bhumika.
Translucent.
Okay. Number 7. It is formed in the path of, yes, Bhuvi, when opaque objects come in the way of light. Yes, Bhuvi, give the
Ma'am,
answer.
shadow.
Yes, it is a
Ma'am,
shadow.
can I turn shadow?
So children, you can see the answer. First was kaleidoscope, as you have spoken the pinhole camera. Yet you have not read of this kaleidoscope. Beautiful patterns are formed in the kaleidoscope, children. Beautiful patterns are formed. And the mirrors are, 3 mirrors are in the triangular form, triangular shape. They are arranged and they form the beautiful patterns. In next class 8th, you will be studying about this kaleidoscope.